report?
Yeah, man, but me, as we said, me get the report so much time already.
I want to read it again because me think people not really understand. Something's happening.
Do you think here when you don't know what talk? Read them up here.
So it says update. Frais hospitalized while producer Javy is taken into custody. Nationwide understands that blogger Jaii Frais was shot while disarming a group of men at a popular soca party, Big Wall, on Sunday night in Kingston. It's the latest development in the incident that has also resulted in the arrest of a well-known music producer. According to eyewitness to Sunday's shooting incident, members of the entourage of DJ 450 approached Jaii Frais aggressively. In preliminary information from the police, about 9:30 p.m., Jaii Frais, whose given name is Jaii Richards, reportedly arrived at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center where the event was being held. It's understood that upon entering the event, he immediately went to use the restroom. Upon leaving the restroom and reaching the door, he allegedly saw a well-known music producer who hit him in the face. The police say Jaii Frais reported that he then saw a group of about 15 men who started attacking him. He says one of the men in the group pulled a firearm and pointed it at him. Jaii Frais reportedly grabbed onto the firearm and disarmed the man. It's further understood that Jaii Frais says the known music producer allegedly pulled a firearm from his waist and pointed it at him whilst he was being attacked by the group of men. Jaii Frais also reported that the producer allegedly opened fire in his direction. Jaii Frais, who had disarmed one of the men from the group and had the firearm, returned gunfire while running away from them. He then reportedly ran to the police to seek assistance and handed over the firearm to the lawmen. Nationwide understand that Jaii Frais, after handing over the firearm, felt a burning sensation to the left lower back and realized that he was shot. He was transported to a corporate area hospital where he is being treated. Another man, said to be from DJ 450's entourage, was shot and injured and transported to hospital where he underwent surgery. Another male, said to be a bystander, was shot and injured and is also being treated at the hospital. Meanwhile, the police say the well-known producer has been arrested and is in custody while Jaii Frais is under police guard at the hospital.
The key thing what she say right there, sir, no, I understand. You see that shot there at the back, that alone make my youth get all of the wrong. Him could have 100 license firearm.
Yeah, because the man run away.
And the next, a Georgia I come from, a gun state I come from. So me break it down to him. You see, by him confronting the man, him give up all of him gun rights. I remember use a license. The person license, use a license firearm. All of the gun is legal, you license. So once you give up your license right and approach him, anything the man do, are you in fault? Cause your life was not in danger. It was no threat was towards you. You go approach the man, and then the shot where the man get in him back a trouble.
Hold on there. Imbula.
Yeah, big up one times. Yeah, but this thing is, me think it easy to figure out still because information I go get. So we can find out which one of the weapon was used to injure Jaii Frais, as the hombre just say. Once you pop a man in a back, you're already gone our part because he's running away and in a no imminent danger. What kind of banner is this me here?
Go on, sorry.
Yeah, so you're not in a no imminent danger because the man a run away. So you use lethal force unnecessarily when you pop a man in him back. Right? So that's one thing. Then pop him in him back. The next thing is the weapon where Jaii Frais have, it can be figured out whether or not it is a registered weapon or it belonged to or it was in the possession of any man from the other the 450 entourage. Right? So that can find out. Plus, if Jaii Frais did bring on one illegal weapon, me highly doubt. Remember say when he reach a station, he realize he get popping up. You understand? Me highly doubt.
He wasn't at the station. It was at the event that the thing was handed over to
when
the
he
police.
got police. He wouldn't go give up himself so because he know saying get pop yet. You understand? Adrenaline
But he
and
popped. Yeah, get it in Beulah?
Understand law. Once you use the term.
Hold on, let you finish now.
Hold on. What me
She's
say
saying
is
that
it is after he go look for the police them for assistance and give the weapon he realize say he get pop can feel a burning sensation. That is what was reported, isn't it?
And that is very normal for somebody not to realize
Right,
that.
me know that.
Yeah.
Adrenaline and Russian thing, right? So at the end of the day, if he don't know saying get pop, he that more likely to run away and go find something to hide, whatever the case may. But he give any weapon. If a female illegal weapon, it go implicate him.
yes, but also think about this in Beulah. If me know say you go try this because me know say you're jumpy, right? I mean I say to you say yo me rather go live in a prison or yo me any of them boy this me I pop it on them and run go tell police I feed them. You
But
get me? I
that
say-
can be disproven.
Yeah, but
Easily.
also one of the things me I look on, right? The 450 entourage has so much problem because they would have Keisha Wagwan baby, they would have followed him, them watch him till he go to the restroom. You understand? Then see when he came in the venue and walked to the washroom and then go there. You understand? So as again a premeditated thing. You see me I say? Again, if him a runner from Javy, I'll do as a matter of fact, Javy no problem because Javy are the one who attack him. You understand? And
Right.
then shoot him. You get me? I say him gone to prison. Automatically him gone to prison. So everybody will feel like Javy go get off this. Him not go get off. He will never get off.
And also, the promoters for the event might press charges against him. Because one, at 9 o'clock, this early, you know, 9 o'clock, the party just about to kick off good enough. You understand? So one, event mash up. Two, probably loss of wages. People gone in about to buy nothing from the bar. All kind of sitting. So the promoter them might take that on with Javy too.
Yeah,
You
legal
understand?
actions. Yeah.
Right.
Them are gonna sue him for that. So I
Right.
must
So
have to
that's
sue him.
Hold on, make sure land first, please.
So that happened, but all in all, it go around business. It's so easy to pinpoint how the legal case they might go due to the fact that one, them pop him in the back. Two, it can be proven if the weapon was in the possession of anybody else except Jaii Frais, because if a film own fingerprint from other man now go end up on a weapon. So it easy to prove whether in disarm a man for true or not. And also the pop when him getting a back, it can be proven which weapon it come from.
As
So
a
if
matter of fact, think about it. Suppose the pop when getting him back no come from none of weapon there.
when do pop himself?
No, suppose no, the nigga come from none of weapon them. Whether the one we have our friend Javy.
Yeah, either of both. Where
Well, it that I got show too. Said the pop it no weapon was identified. The weapon where injury was not identified. That I got come out, right? Cause them I go pick out that whole time and find. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
all of them something they can read, can find. So this the Javy and a whole of them way over the part there, then go have some serious questions to answer. Every one of them in a trouble until they start out. But Jaii Frais think quick, run, turn in a weapon, and now he implicate the whole of 450 entourage. A quick movement that, and if he did this man, big up you quick, you do your thing, and you save yourself too.
Big up. All right, Big Show. Hold on, the brother. Big Show, come show. Big Show Vibes, you there?
I'm on me there.
Big up yourself.
Everybody up on the platform, Zine. So this is what me I gonna say pertaining to the incident. The mere fact that them said the man walking at the incident and got the bathroom and them approach the man, it was premeditated. It was talked about maybe briefly while them see him walk in, say, oh, see the boy there, we are gonna do him something. That alone put them in the wrong. Zine. Secondly, the youth, the producer, is a licensed firearm holder. When you're a licensed firearm holder, if anybody know about licensed gun, then will tell you this. He will tell you, say, you're an Irish person in society. You can never be an aggressor. You have to be a defender. You have to defend yourself. That's what your firearm is for. You're a defender. You're only defending yourself, your property, and your family. Zine? So the main fact say, him are the aggressor, him a go to prison. You get where me I forward from? The main fact say him are the aggressor and the story him a go to prison. No, hands down, there's nothing we can save him because you're an Irish person in society. You have a firearm to defend yourself, your property, your family. That's what a firearm is for. Self, property, family. And you step to a man with a firearm. If Javy really disarm a man, Javy I go win. One, the case. Two, them have to go pay Javy. The entourage, then if the producer willing to talk, he can call every man name in the entourage. All of them are going to prison. If a 15 of them, like what Javy say, if 15 of them are going to prison. Because
Jaii Frais, Big Show,
Jaii Frais say, if a 15 of them, like what Jaii Frais say, and them willing, and the whole of them name call, 15 of them are going to prison. Because that's a gang-related incident. Because Jaii Frais. Gang-related incident is illegal. Two man is a gang in a society. So, only hope say, you go the way where the report say we are disarm a man, and then the producer will shot him in the back while him a run off. That will make him get even more time. Because that's illegal. Shoot a man in the back. So, the producer get knocked overall for being an aggressor, for being a gang while having a firearm, and for shoot the man in the back. So those hopes say, I know so he go, like how the story reported, and can easily look like a prison, but no matter how he go overall, he might go to prison because he is the aggressor and he have a firearm. That is my 2 cents.
Alright, respect, thank you.
And my time.
Got you, man.
Alright, so when I break it down in a way, cause we have to understand the license firearm. It's just like when you get a driver's license, I know the car license, the car register, you see me? So, just like what OG said earlier, the gun I got registered to him, but him have the license, so you can't confront, you have to be a defender, you cannot attack. Because a lot of people think of the gun license. No, the gun registered to you and you the person license. You see what I say? So you have to know how to act. You have to move different in society. So him give up every right, like what I say, him step with not only by himself, with 15 man. So once Jaii Frais or whatever name disarm that gun, the gun become legal to him, even if it's illegal. Because it's a self-defense case. So it don't matter, that's why the police them can't lock him up and them have to make sure him good. Because it become a self-defense case where the gun become legal to him. That's what I say. Yeah. So it don't matter who for gun or even if him bring it or what. Once you approach him, you give him all your right you have in the book.
Yeah, but does the same law that applies in Georgia applies in Jamaica though?
Any gun law. Anyway, you got common sense. You have to understand. Law that hard, you know. Once you can break it down, you know. That's why you see a man will get locked up for something and beat the case. And them know him do it because you have to know if you articulate and create scenario like what my son do and make it make sense and can prove it. So improve it by bringing the gun to them. Him actually bring the evidence. And a film where that stand because him a victim.
Yo, man, I laugh still, but sorry. So you said Javy, no problem.
You see me?
Yo!
But can I say something though? This is the thing.
I would have wanted something.
Oh, me fasten on a business, sorry.
Hold on, I would have fasten on the business.
No, man, I'm a lady, man.
Oh, come here.
She did dip on it earlier. She did dip on it. No, man, we straight like arrow. I get back and I forward back.
Hold on, man.
I would have know if you do switch up voice.
Hold on, man. No, me feel like a somebody in the box, so me not sick and me know say you just done that.
Oh.
So me I say, who that? Attack.
Yeah, man, I'm a lady because she dip on it, but she didn't ask if she can talk and you tell her for all that.
Alright, go through mama. What you say?
This is the thing.
Wait, hold on. So you see I use the head, you know.
No.
So you jump off of your platform and go on your husband platform in chat. You see you? Anyway.
No, that's why me did dip on it, but my phone did that. Like me that hear some stuff in the background. I thought it was you guys, but it was my phone. So that's why I'm come off.
Alright, stop to it.
But me not use American law. Make him use the American law. Me not know Jamaica law like that. Me I use common sense at this point.
Okay.
Yeah, approach a man in an event, in a closed space at the event at that.
And pull off
right?
gun.
Pull off gun. There's no way you are expect say nothing serious now gonna come off it at the end of the situation. That is just common sense, but enough people not use common sense because them did expect say Jaii Frais gonna take the box or take the shot or take whatever, laying down, nothing gonna come off it afterwards. Them are gonna big up them name in the streets because them box down boy and everything. Right? But this is it. When you do that and him retaliate the way he did, you weren't expecting that. So now everybody are run scared and are run coward. Because, oh my God, Jaii Frais, but him retaliate. Him retaliate. So, I don't know what to do now. 450 can always deny it, you know.
No reason.
Even if he was there, right? Him can always deny it, you know. Say, oh, I wasn't aware of this. Yeah. I didn't know this was happening. Me never say no law.
No. Even your video evidence if you prove saying it right there. Don't need that too.
No, but at the shock catch them cause very rare you see a man. Normally when man back off gun man and go.
Oh, he's on camera. I didn't know he was on camera.
Normally when man see gun in front of them hand go up, you know. But when them see the hand go towards them, you know, that shook them up, you know. Them I could all him shot all him friend. Well, if you hear and the sister the license gun shot the man cause him panic and paro. I don't know what to do. Cause enough man have gun but they have the heart. Or you have to can hold composure in any sticky situation. You have to can be able to think. Once you can't be able to think, I could all him shoot all the blares and skirt innocent bystander. Cause him paro. You have to can be militant in any situation.
But Jaii Frais, what?
And then me teach them thing there. So you need to go take a training course where him can hold him composure in a situation like that. Cause it's a simple situation and look how it turn out. Cause furthermore, you put your gun on man for hold it. Your hand for in front of your gun, you the close gun for that your side. As a license firearm holder, your gun for that your side. There is no way a man in front of you, your gun for up in the ear where a man can reach it. No point. So I know say you're gonna need that from this. You see me, how a man reach your gun for this army? You see me, gun for that side, one hand free. If him try step, ease him off and protect yourself.
Yeah. Alright, respect.
Yeah.
Excellent. Wagwan.
Oh, good afternoon, my brother.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to your panel. Good afternoon to all the people who are here. Really, I want to clarify something. I've heard some stuff while listening, and I want to clarify some misconception.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Right, and I wish can do so.
Go ahead.
All right. Whereas it is not true that if I have a legal firearm and you take it from me,
and you
I have not relinquished the power to you. It is legal in your possession.
No, it's not.
According to the FLA, which is the governing body in Jamaica, the Firearms Licensing Authority, and in their act, this is section 20, part 1. It says a person shall not save as authorized by a license which continues in force by virtue of an enactment, B, be in possession of a prohibited weapon. That is, a person shall not, save as authorized by a license, which continue to be enforced by virtue of an enactment, be in possession of a prohibited weapon. You get a firearm license really after you would have shown the competence. You would have gone to do your shooting test on the range, and FLA would have observed you discharge, and then they give you a competence license at that time to have a firearm, right? And then you continue to have that firearm by annual renewal of your license. So the mere fact that it leaves from me to you, it is an illegal weapon. The weapon is illegal, and you are in illegal possession of a firearm.
That's not true.
Sir, I am reading.
Your gun. That's if you lend somebody a gun and them walk with it, them feel like it legal. If somebody a defend themselves and you are the aggressor and disarm it become legal to the self-defender, bro. Exactly. Once you lend somebody a gun, that's what you attack about, bad man.
That's what that's not the same.
Really, I am reading from the. Really, can I read from the FLA Act? I am reading from the FLA Charter, not what I think.
Yeah, but what you're not explaining correctly because it's not stated.
What did I start to explain?
No, okay. You are trying to say whether something the way you read say is not saying if you're trying to defend yourself if somebody present
Miss,
to you.
Miss, can I, firearm. Miss? Really, Miss, I am.
Me want to go party and borrow your firearm for guard the party for protect myself. Yeah, that's illegal. But if you come with your firearm and you violate all your firearm right and attack me and I take it from you, which part of that is not legal?
Sir, can you listen? If you give me a chance to speak, you'll hear, I can be in possession. I am in possession of a firearm, and I use it to do something in an inappropriate manner. For example, if I have my firearm and I use it to suppress somebody and beat them down, I can be charged for an illegal possession of firearm because I have used my firearm to do something inappropriately. I'm just clarifying something, sir. Right? So basically, when I brandish my firearm, that's an illegal act also. So that's what I'm saying to you, sir. So if a man take his firearm in the accusation situation now and used to try and box up a man, use his firearm to intimidate somebody and invoke fear, and then box him up, what the firearm holder has essentially done, he has relinquished his rights and have broken the law, and he can be charged for illegal possession of firearm.
Yeah, I'm 100% right, and the charge higher.
Sir, can I?
No, you're right. Me I tell you, you're right, bro. You're 100%.
So I'm just explaining, sir. I'm just going in a premise, Yes. So read it.
The discrepancy was weird.
Hold on. No, we do things over here, sir. Now, we're not interrupting man for. Make him learn, and then if you don't have any rebuttal, you don't do it after the man. Sure.
The second thing really is about how you discharge a firearm. There's a clause that says you should not discharge a firearm within 40 feet of a public space or a public fair or a gathering. But there's always modification to that. Mm-hmm. One of the things really me hear about somebody being shot in the back while running away. No, that is very serious because